Hi, this is Sunil Kamath, father of Ria Kamath, who's enrolled in Little Ellie's early learning plan. She's in lower KG. To give you some context, as parents of Ria, when the pandemic happened, we were quite worried. We were very apprehensive on, what do we do with Ria's teaching, and how do we keep her engaged. And we also did not want a situation where the school would ask us to enroll her back into lower KG when it resumed. Right? We were quite at a standstill and we didn't know what to do. And we were very clear we did not want to take any chances by sending Ria to a school, even if the schools were to reopen. After all, her well-being is of foremost importance to us. That's the time when Little Ellie introduced their online platform, okay, and we are glad they did, right? For the simple reason being, we trust the Little Ellie brand, and especially after enrolling Ria into the classes, our initial apprehension on whether she will be focused, whether she will be engaged for the entire duration of the class, whether she'll be able to concentrate, all of those apprehensions have been removed completely. Right? We are very glad that Little Ellie has an extremely well organized, well thought out curriculum, right? And it doesn't make us feel that she's actually away from school, right? The storytelling, the prayers, the breaks, right? And some really good, things like teaching the kids how to be independent, right? Making them wash their hands, right? Making them feel as if they are able to do things on their own. And of course, backed by a solid, strong curriculum that Little Ellie has designed. To all the parents out there, if you are still thinking, if you can take this as a feedback, as a testimony, I just want to assure you that Little Ellie has been doing a wonderful job, right? And I'm really happy and thankful that Little Ellie created this platform, right? And perhaps this is one of the best choices that we as parents made for our daughter. And I'm glad, and I'm hopeful that the others will also take a leaf out of this.
Hello, ma'am. I am Meghna. I am Tanmay Srivastav's mom. He is at Elliot Home program. We are very happy and satisfied with the program and the way they have created the curriculum. It is very balanced and organized. So Tanmay really looks forward daily in the morning to attend the class and very enthusiastically attends the class, which is little surprising for me because earlier I was little apprehensive about the morning online class that such a small age they will not be able to catch anything. But he started recognizing the letters and numbers and has got some grip for the crayons also, which is really very satisfying. And this all the credit goes to her ma'ams, teachers, who have really been very patient and very sweet to tolerate these small kids and then listen to them. And I'm very happy. I'm satisfied with the program.
Hello, good morning, everyone. I am Sneha. I am Siddharth's mother who has joined the Little Ellie online course ELP3 class, that is a LKG class. I have joined my son for the last 1.5 months, and Pavitra ma'am is the teacher, and she has been doing a wonderful job in teaching the concepts to everybody in the class. My son is able to catch up on all the concepts that they teach, and the different activities they do to teach those concepts in a creative way is very useful, and they give tips to the parents as to how to deal in case your child is not able to do well, or not able to concentrate after the class, the homework that they give. So that has been a lot helpful. I'm very grateful to Little Ellie and the teachers, that the effort that they put in, and I can see the change in Siddharth in a positive way. He is more interactive in class. He likes to come to class. He gets up in the morning and he loves to sit in the class for 1 hour. Now that is a positive change that I can see. And his the way he communicates with others has improved. The way he talks, his language, his diction has improved after I have joined the class. So thank you all for the effort, and I hope this testimonial helps in taking the mission forward.
Hi, I just want to tell you that we were a little afraid when we put our daughter in online classes because she's very shy. But putting her in Little Ellie has been a very amazing experience. She has done a lot of things. She has learned a lot of activities. She has learned about interacting with people, especially online, and she has been enjoying that session so much that she want to have sessions on weekend. She has told us that she want to have session on weekends. For that she has cried also sometimes. At times she says that she love her teacher more than her parents. So what else when we say, little Ellie, little Ellie, little Ellie, we love you, Prisha love you, our parents love you.